What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that can perform various operations and execute programs. It is capable of processing, storing, and retrieving data, as well as performing calculations and generating output. Computers are designed to be programmable and can be used for a wide range of tasks, including word processing, data analysis, multimedia production, gaming, and communication. A computer typically consists of hardware and software components. The hardware includes the physical components of the computer, such as the central processing unit, CPU, memory, RAM, storage devices, hard drive or solid-state drive, input devices, keyboard and mouse, output devices, monitor or printer, and various other peripheral devices. The software refers to the programs and instructions that tell the computer what tasks to perform. This includes the operating system, example, Windows, macOS, Linux, application software, example, word processors, web browsers, games, and programming languages that allow developers to create software for the computer. Computers operate based on the principles of binary logic, using a system of switches that represent data as zeros and ones, binary digits or bits. The CPU processes instructions by manipulating these binary digits, performing calculations, accessing and modifying data, and controlling the flow of information within the computer. Over the years, computers have become smaller, faster, and more powerful, enabling advancements in various fields and transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. They are now an integral part of many aspects of modern society, from personal use to businesses, scientific research, entertainment, and more.